The Passion Fruit Martini, often known as the Pornstar Martini, was created in London in the early 2000s. The cocktail was invented by bartender Douglas Ankrah, a well-known mixologist and the founder of the Bar Lab London Academy of Bartending. Origins: creator Douglas Ankrah. Location: LAB London Academy of Bartending, London, UK. Time frame: early 2000s. This cocktail has since become a modern classic, enjoyed in bars and restaurants around the world. While a passion fruit martini is primarily enjoyed for its flavor and as a social drink, it's important to note that its health benefits are limited, especially given its alcohol content. However, there are some potential positive aspects, largely due to the passion fruit itself. Here are a few. Nutritional benefits of passion fruit: vitamins and minerals. Passion fruit is rich in vitamins A and C, which are beneficial for the immune system and skin health. It also contains potassium, which is good for heart health and maintaining normal blood pressure. Antioxidants. Passion fruit is high in antioxidants, which help to protect the body from free radicals and reduce inflammation. Fiber. Passion fruit contains dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Potential benefits of ingredients. Lime juice. Lime juice is a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can boost the immune system and improve skin health. Vanilla. Vanilla has been associated with anti-inflammatory properties and may help with reducing stress and anxiety. Moderation and enjoyment. Moderate alcohol consumption. Some studies suggest that moderate alcohol consumption can have certain health benefits, such as improving cardiovascular health, but these benefits are generally outweighed by the risks associated with excessive drinking. Caution: alcohol content. It's important to consume alcohol in moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to numerous health issues, including liver disease, addiction, and increased risk of certain cancers. Conclusion: while a passion fruit martini might provide some minor health benefits from its ingredients, these are relatively small and should not be considered a health drink. The primary benefits are enjoyment and the potential for stress relief in a social setting. But it's important to enjoy this and other alcoholic beverages responsibly. Ingredients: 1.5 ounces 45 milliliters vodka, 1 ounce 30 milliliters passion fruit liqueur, for example, PASU, 1 ounce 30 milliliters passion fruit puree or juice, 0.5 ounces 15 milliliters vanilla syrup, 0.5 ounces 15 milliliters lime juice. Champagne or prosecco served on the side. Half a passion fruit for garnish. Ice. Instructions: prepare the shaker. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add ingredients: pour the vodka, passion fruit liqueur, passion fruit puree, vanilla syrup, and lime juice into the shaker. Shake. Shake well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish. Float half a passion fruit on top of the cocktail for garnish. Serve with champagne. Serve the cocktail with a shot glass of champagne or prosecco on the side. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.